In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply debit card discount in Amazon. Many Amazon promotions for debit cards work only when your card is saved to your account. So I'll show you how to add it properly so eligible discounts can apply automatically at checkout. First, go to your Amazon account on the website and make sure you're signed in. On the top right, hover your mouse over Account and Lists to open the menu, then head into your account area. From there, scroll down until you see the section labeled Your Payment. This is where Amazon stores your payment methods and where you'll add the card that qualifies for the debit card discount. Inside your payment, choose the option to add a payment method. You'll see an option to add your payment. Select Add a credit or debit card. A secure form will appear asking for the card number, the name on the card, the expiration date, and the security code, sometimes shown as CVV or CVC. Enter the details exactly as they appear on your card. For the security code, use the 3 or 4-digit number printed on the card. Take a moment to make sure there are no typos and that the billing address you use matches what your bank has on file, since mismatches can cause verification errors. After you save the card, Amazon may ask your bank to verify it, which can include a quick text or app confirmation or a temporary authorization. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. Once the card is saved, it's ready to be used for eligible debit card offers. When a promotion is active and you check out with this card, the discount typically appears automatically in your order summary before you place the order. If you don't see it, double check the promotion's terms, including dates, categories, and any minimum purchase amount, and confirm that you're using the saved debit card associated with the offer. Depending on your region and bank, you may also see an option to link your credit card directly from your bank instead of typing the details. If that's available to you and you prefer it, follow the on-screen prompts to connect through your bank's secure flow. It's completely optional. Adding the card manually works just as well for eligible discounts. That's all you need to set up your card so Amazon can recognize it for debit card discounts. Once it's saved, you're set for future promotions too, so you won't have to repeat these steps every time. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Amazon tips and tutorials.